Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on whatever you want to and then click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OnePlus. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and select Receive. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!